Adopting Passle was a little bit of an adventure. I think we learned a lot about the product as we started to implement it. We gained a lot of momentum with the firm internally. It was very easy to demonstrate the ROI early on in the process. And we converted a lot of people into thought leaders that I think previously had not been as engaged in thought leadership. It was a great success for us. The lawyers found the process very easy once they actually got in and tried it. I think at first it was hard for them to get comfortable with being more prominent on social media, with creating shorter, more targeted thought leadership. But once they did a few Passles and they started to see how easy it was, they gained a lot of momentum and started to see ROI. Proof of value turned into a really fun competition for our attorneys. You know, attorneys can be competitive just by nature, and having that weekly check-in, showing people how their teams were gaining momentum, how they were comparing against one another, made it a lot of fun and was very engaging for the attorneys. And it helped us build more support and momentum for the product once we moved into the true launch.